Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have the PDF open. Now switch straight to comment or annotate mode and choose the sticky note tool. Click once where you want the note. That first click creates an anchor point so your note stays aligned. Before typing, set the author name and pick a color and opacity so you can visually sort notes later. Once placed, the note window opens. Start with a short title, then add details. Make sure to save a copy immediately to preserve your work. You should type a short, descriptive title first, then write the fuller note body explaining the why and action items. Use bold or larger font for deadlines, numbers, or page references. This makes scanning faster. If your editor supports it, attach the sticky note to a highlight or drawing to maintain context. Once done, navigate through notes with the comments panel to review consistency. Make sure to export a copy with annotations, flattened, if sharing with someone who may not use your app. Finish by saving, then export depending on needs. Keep comments embedded for collaborators or flatten them into the page for universal viewing. Verify document permissions so others can view or edit your sticky notes. Change security settings if necessary. If notes seem to vanish on another device, reopen the file in the original application or load your saved copy. Many apps strip comments when using basic viewers. One tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.